It was a snowy Christmas morning, and the kids were having the best time. Outside, Mia laughed as the snowflakes tickled her cheeks. Tommy tossed a soft snowball, giggling with excitement. Baby Coco wiggled happily, holding her tiny snowball. Suddenly something magical drifted down from the sky. The kids gasped. There was a glowing little snow creature. The tiny snow creature sparkled brightly. It was snowy. The children knelt beside Snowy, wondering where it came from. Snowy led the kids toward a glowing path in the woods. The forest shimmered with Christmas magic all around them. They passed giant candy cane trees sparkling in the snow. A twinkling path lit up, guiding them forward. Friendly forest animals peeked out and waved hello. In the distance, Sam's workshop came into view. The workshop glowed with lights, music, and Christmas cheer. Max and Bella stepped inside, amazed by all the toys. Santa turned to them with a worried smile. The Christmas tree's magic star was missing. The kids promised to help Santa save Christmas. Snowy pointed toward the tall, snowy peak mountain. They reached the snowy mountain, shining under the moon. High above, the missing star glowed on a tall branch. Max and Bella bravely prepared to climb. They helped each other step by step, working as a team. Finally, Tommy reached out and grabbed a shining star. The star burst with bright magic, filling the sky with light. The children hurried back to Santa with the magical star. Santa placed the star on the tree, glowing brighter than ever. A burst of Christmas magic filled the